Hello everybody and welcome to our fabulous new Two Red Robins launch. Now this time we're bringing you some lovely little animals and we've got a really intuitive way of using them. So this is our frosted festive frames. And the first lot that you're going to see is the actual frames themselves. So these are 3 together. We've got our Ivy, Snowdrops and Mouse, which is Winter Wonderland. So this is our Winter Wonderland, just beautiful. Again, I'll talk you through and I'll bring on one of the dies and show you exactly how that works. Okay, then we have our Season's Greetings. How adorable is he? We've got a little hedgehog, we've got different, we've got a trio little family, and again, look at this that we're getting, that is the frame. And obviously those little additions. Then we have our Frosty Fantasy, which is again, beautiful, beautiful imagery and the artwork. And then it wouldn't be Christmas without our faithful little Robin, would it? And again, you've got the extra pieces. So that is the set of 3. Those are the frames that start off the bundle. Then moving on from there, we have got, I'm sorry, our little characters. Do you know, aren't they just the most precious? I just adore these. So again, we've got Holly, we've got the berries, got a little bit of snow, we've got our lovely little mouse, and this is Grace. So hello, Grace. We're introducing you to the lovely little Grace. So that's part of the next bundle. Then we've got our Ruby Red, which are red berries. Just what you can do with this is brilliant because look, you're getting 2 pieces. So it's a bit dark on here. You get your matte layer, but just look what you can create. So entwining this in with your actual frames, the festive piece, the festive frames is just, it works beautifully together. And I'll show you what we've done with it later. And then we've got entwined or entangled. But again, 2 Red Robins, as always, we give you nested, okay? But not only is it one lot of nested, which is just the imagery, we're giving you these extra dies as well. So actually on this, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9 dies. So all the inners of all of these are now apertures for your cards as well, which just really propels what you can actually do and expands your creativity. So that is the second bundle, which obviously works well with the first one. Then we're coming into our frosted pine cone, and isn't this just beautiful? It's stunning artwork again. You can change it up and take away the white and turn it into green. So this, you know, it's not just Christmas. This can be seasonal. So that's our frosted pine cone, along with our lovely holly jelly. Okay, so we've got our berries and our lovely holly. But again, we're giving you 2 elements. And I love that about 2 Red Robins, because we don't just give you, oh, well, we'll give you that. And we're giving you everything. We're giving you the smaller size to allow you to create really strong projects. It gives you depth, dimension and definition. You can have a background, midground and foreground with all of this. But each of these elements, as I'm working through, going back to our lovely frosted pine cone, you've got this smaller one, you've got the bigger one, snip it out. Each piece is building up to make the most incredibly beautiful wreath. It really will. Then our next bundle are snowdrops. Aren't they just idyllic? Again, we're giving you 2 different sizes as well as that matte layer, which really expands what your creativity is going to be. Then we have the ivy. Now, obviously, ivy is an all year round thing. It's a deciduous. Am I right? No, it's an evergreen. Evergreen is what it is, because it's always green. Again, you see it a lot at Christmas, but that is not just one for Christmas. You can use this throughout the year. Then changing the colourway of this, you can make it tonal as well to work with the projects that you want it to work with. So that is that bundle. Then we go on to our singles. Now, again, let me to introduce you to a cute little pair of characters. Oh my goodness. And this is Eve and Bailey. So I'm going to say this is Eve and this is Bailey. Now I wonder what Bailey this could refer to around Christmas. Let me think. So yeah, we've been very intuitive with the names of these characters. So here's Eve and Bailey. So that's our lovely little couple that you can have. Then, in addition to that, we have got this adorable rabbit. And I love that he's got that little sprig and it's got that little pile of snow on top of it. So it's like almost like you can just hear him snap it off and you've just taken a photo that he's got it in his mouth. It's just beautiful artwork. And that's Noel, of course it is. And then the next two that I'm going to show you, you've probably seen these with some of the collections we've had before, but we've brought them all together. So this was a collection, the fox and everything was all separate, but we've brought it all together for you as one image. And they're just spectacular. The artwork, again, is phenomenal. Now, this one is Christmas Eve. Again, you get in your matte layer with it. And then finally, you get our lovely deer, which is near and dear. And again, same principle again, we've melded these together. So we've got the deers, we've got the pine cones, we've got the little birdhouse, we've got the trees, and we've got the eucalyptus as well. So we've got lots going on here when you, a lot of snippability. So that is the whole collection, which is amazing. So I just want to share with you, I'm going to bring some of these. We don't normally do this, but I'm just switching it up a little bit because I just want to share. So this time of year, what is one of the things that we absolutely like to get out the cupboard and play with? Of course, it's the glitter. Look at that. How adorable is that? Now, this one has used the melded part of it, okay, but all they've used is the melded image and the inside edge for the aperture, okay, so then they've cut it out as a circle. However, you can do it a different way by using both split unity pieces and creating the matte layer and then putting the melded piece in. You can have it as a whole one as well. Isn't that phenomenal? We've got all of the characters in here, just beautiful, and that's our lovely Kath that's made that for us. And then moving on to the next one, our lovely Lou has done this one. Look, sparkle, shiny. We love a bit of glitter. So this one is a little bit different, using our entangled frames. So we've used them all together to create this lovely backdrop of different sizes, but also adding that dimension because we've got one at the front, one mid and one behind. And again, splitting up those characters and really bringing them to, it just flows. This is a really well balanced sample that I've got here to show you. And again, our lovely Lou has decoupaged all our little characters up. So then I also want to share with you finally what we did in the class. Now, this one I've kept white. I haven't put any glitter or anything on it, but you could put lots and lots of glitter on this. I'm just going to lift it up and show you. So I did it as an aperture, but I also used the whole piece. So here, it actually moves away. You can see it's cut into it, okay? Then I've used lots of the frames, not just one of them. I've mixed them together. I've created decoupage with the lovely little hedgehogs. But the main aspect is teaching you how to use the split unity and the melded element to achieve your actual aperture. And then inside that aperture, I've gone ahead and built up. So we've got a beautiful depth of imagery going on here. But I could have made this into a tunnel card and put lights inside this as well. Lots of different ways. So much versatility to work with this collection. So that is our fabulous frosted frames, or Frames and Festive collection for you. I'm sorry. It's been a particularly long day today. And don't forget to hit like, press that bell so you get to know all of our notifications, subscribe to our channel. so you never miss out on anything that's coming your way. As always, we love to hear from you and for you to share all your makes as well. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you all again real soon. Take care. Bye.
If you would like to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the bell icon to receive notifications on all our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.